Agriculture in India is a seasonal activity, and our marginal farmers are not able to generate enough income from it after their own consumption requirements. In order to supplement their levels and also to provide alternate source of income, several schemes were started by the government.
Some of them needed technological support, and this is where CSIR Northeast Institute of Science and Technology came into the picture. They were placed in the Northeast region, which is very conducive to certain species of crops. Out of them, mushroom was promising enterprise. CSIR NEIST developed technology to grow mushroom domestically in a manner so that a farmer can make enough money out of it.
Mushroom is an interesting modification of a fungal form of life. They are non-green fungal plants occurring seasonally in many parts of the world. We have mushroom growing activities spread over the length and breadth of our country. The per capita consumption is 15 to 20 gram only. And by increasing per capita consumption to 100 gram, we should be able to market 1 lakh tons of mushrooms within the country.
Spawn in India is mostly produced on wheat grain, rice grain and bajra grain. The spawning rate in button mushroom is 0.5 to 0.7%, and in oyster mushroom is about 2% of the wet weight of substrate. The word spawn in the mushroom industry means the planting material, which consists of the vegetative body or mycelium and its substrate. White button mushroom is still the most commonly cultivated mushroom grown and accepted by the consumer in Northeast India. In Assam, the oyster mushroom is more popular among the cultivators.
NEIST has developed a technology to identify the right type of mushrooms and then gave this to the farmers to see how they can cultivate it.
The retail price of fresh mushrooms in India ranges from 100 to 1000 rupees per kilogram, depending upon the season and area. Mushroom production has tremendous scope. Mushroom has excellent medicinal properties. It is rich in vitamins, minerals and lipids. Mushroom is a 100% vegetarian food and is good for joint pains and vitamin D deficiency. Mushroom cultivation is one of the most profitable agri-businesses that can be started with minimum investment and space.
I am doing mushroom cultivation since 2014. Now my business is growing day by day. During peak season, I am making up to 10,000 rupees of income. The village people purchase my mushrooms and they are also earning by selling these mushrooms again. I also supply mushroom on different occasions like wedding parties, etc. in the village.
Mushroom farming in India is growing steadily as an alternate source of income.
Our basic function is to train farmers and also those who come for the spawn production unit, we train them, and we mainly produce the seeds, that is the spawn for cultivation of mushroom, which we sell, and sometimes also we give free to the farmers. We have established around 20 spawn production units throughout Northeast India, which has led to employment generation of more than 5,000.
I cultivate mushroom. I started in a small size. In 2013, I got training and certificate from NIST Jorhat. And then I started in a big manner. I sell mushroom in fresh and dry form and process mushroom also.
CSIR NEIST is committed to help people of Northeast in sustainable, efficient and reliable mode of growth. Till date, they have done commendable work and are still working on improving new avenues.